Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a booking website for nails business. For example, I have a website right here that I had created earlier for my lashes business. You can see it right here. It has my opening hours, and you can scroll down. You'll see the contact information and the different services that are offered. And by the way, the platform that we'll be using in this example is completely free to get started, and you don't need to enter a credit card information or anything like that. So for instance, let's say someone would like to book a service. They could select it, then tap on continue. After doing that, they can select the date that they would like to book the appointment for. They can also select the time, then tap on continue. And they will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, your customer would enter their name, phone number, email address, and if they have a specific message or request, they could type it in this box. Then tap on complete booking. If this sounds good to you, and I do recommend this platform, as you can see, it is quite easy and straightforward to use for your potential customers, and it is also quite easy to set up. If this sounds good and you would like to get started, be sure to stick around and watch this entire tutorial, and also hit the like button. Now to get started, you're going to go onto heygoldie.com. Heygoldie.com is the platform that we are using, and you can sign up for completely free, as I said earlier. As you can see, their pricing plans, you will be able to accept 20 appointments per month on the free plan. You will also be able to download and use the app on unlimited devices. You'll be able to accept online booking, but you'll only be able to add manual reminders. And I would recommend, once your business takes off, you go onto their paid plan, as the automated reminders will definitely boost your business and your customer relationship. For instance, with the automated reminders, you will be able to remind your customers of their appointments using different social media platforms. Whether you would like it to use it on Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp Business, you can do that using the Hey Goldie platform, and it is quite easy to do. Now all you'll need to do, we'll tap on Goldie right here. Then you'll go to customers, and you're going to select nails artist. After you have done that, you can see that the page has changed, and you'll tap on get started in the top right hand corner. From there, you'll be able to sign up using your email address, or if you'd like to use your Facebook or Apple account, you can do that. So you'll simply select the sign up option that you would like to use. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, by the way, this is how your booking calendar will look. So you will see all of your appointments right here. Now to add services, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on services. Then from there, you're going to see some preloaded services. You can either choose to delete these, or you can edit them. So you can either tap on the trash can to delete it, or you could tap on the pencil icon. And from there, you can change the service name, the description, and you can also choose a different service color. You can also choose the price. So let's say $100 instead of $50. You can also enter the duration, meaning how long will that particular service last. Then you will tap on save. And by the way, if you don't see a service that you would like to offer to your potential customers, you can tap on add new in the top right hand corner, then tap on add service, and from there you could type in the service name and information. Once you have finished doing this, you will tap on the X. Then you are going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and we're going to tap on online booking. Once you have tapped on online booking, you're going to see an option to activate it. You're going to tap on activate. After you have tapped on activate, from there you will be able to set it up. So for instance, let's say we were to tap on edit booking website right here. From here, you're going to see your website URL. You can also change your business name if you want. You can add a business description. You can also add a logo if you want, or you could add a photo. And if you want a platform to create a stunning business logo for completely free, I would definitely recommend that you visit canva.com. And as I said earlier, Canva is completely free. Now, once you are finished, you'll scroll down. From there, you could add your business address and phone number, and you can also add your socials. So for example, if you'd like to add your Facebook account and Instagram account, you can do that. Then you would set up your opening and closing hours. So you'll simply tap right there, and let's say for example the business is open 10 a.m. You could tap on 10 a.m. and let's say it closes 4. You could tap right there, then select OK. You can select how many days of the week it will be open by selecting it right there. Then once you are finished, you'll tap on save in the bottom left hand corner. Now that the changes have been saved, as you can see right there, all you'll need to do now, you can tap here to share your link. You could tap there and it will automatically open your website and you can see how it looks. And you can go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on online booking. Once you have tapped on online booking, you could tap on copy link and you'll be able to copy and share your website link. Or if you would like to share it via QR code, you could tap on download QR code. I would definitely recommend that you tap on download QR code, as with this you'll be able to quickly share it on social media, and all someone would have to do is simply scan your QR code to go onto your website and start booking. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And by the way, if you have any additional questions that you would like to ask, you can leave it in the comment section.